Hello, everyone. Hi, Saurabh.
Hey, Biswa. Hello, everyone.
What a packed 4 days that was, right? Web.dev Live India, I think, truly exceeded expectations from both content and engagement perspective. Don't you think, Saurabh?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I think I was planning to ask when we were planning for this. I was thinking that we'll ask, "How's the Josh?" At the end, then I realized it's a virtual event. We might not get all the answers, but I think the Josh has been pretty high. So kudos to everyone involved, the team. I think I'll let you go through that.
Yes, yes, and yeah, I think even if you are at home, it's totally okay to surprise your family members by saying, "Hi, sir." So yeah, I think I probably woke up my some of my family members. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really want to echo that sort of I think we have been talking in our WhatsApp group about like the event organizer and the speakers, and the Joes has been really, really good. I hope the same with you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching all the sessions and asking questions. The questions, the discussions, and the sessions were hopefully really helpful and thoughtful. Sort of next one. It was all possible for these amazing speakers. 26 speakers attracted 1,500 plus registrations this whole event, and 5,000 plus views across 4 days. The whole team, I think all the organizers and the speakers have done a tremendous job of identifying the themes and basically putting together some amazing content. The themes like performance, capabilities, privacy, security, frameworks like Angular, AMP, React, and like developer tools. All of this is like sort of like reflects that web is truly open, and I hope the content and the speakers were actually sort of matched that expectations. The speakers took a lot of time and energy to build this content and also present it to you from their home, taking time off their work and personal time. So please say thank you to all of them whenever you meet them in person or virtually. So yeah, next one, Sarah. And I think also save some of that gratitude to these people who have put together this amazing content and amazing session. You have no idea how much time and how much energy it takes to create a virtual event like this and also create these experiences virtually. And these folks have come up from like length and breadth of this country. So Arpan, who is at the start, who is from Delhi, I happen to be in Bangalore right now. Devi is from Bhubaneswar, Harsh is Ahmedabad, Mayur from Surat, Parth from Gandhinagar, Saurabh from Delhi, Punita from Udaipur, Santosh from Pune, Tushar from Indore, Varsha and Brijraj from Jalandhar. Truly, I think we have come from like at least 7, 8 cities from India, and I think we have all come together and contributed amazingly to making this thing happen. Lastly, this was a truly community-led event, and the community brought all of this together for, I think, benefit of thousands of developers like you. But community is all about both taking and giving, right? So the way I think you took a lot of like knowledge and experience from this event, um, I hope and sincerely pray that I think you will also try to give something back, and how, to give more ideas about that, I hand it over to Saurav. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks, Biswa. I think you're great with remembering all these cities. If you would have given that job to me, I certainly would have messed up with few of the cities for sure. I probably would have said Saurabh from Bangalore and Biswa from Delhi under pressure.
Probably that's why you want to be.
Cool. Yeah, so I think totally plus one to all the thanks, gratitude that's been shared right now. But I think as Viswa ended his note on sharing that community is all about giving and taking as well. So I think one thing which we really wanted to highlight today, when we close down on this, is the open source contributions that all of you can do, irrespective of how technically capable or technically advanced you are, or how early you are into the technical field. But open source is something which is for everyone. There are tons of opportunities in the wild, and one of the places where you can certainly go and quickly look out for opportunities if you are already confused where to begin with is certainly open source.google. There you can find a lot of projects which you can contribute to. from web perspective, it already have like the projects like Angular, RAM project, Chromium. These are all open source, all available on GitHub. You can go and start making contributions. Now, one of the things which people say mention about open source contribution is they don't feel very comfortable in terms of creating new like PRs and all those stuff. But one of the things which I really want to highlight is even creating issues on GitHub, even answering things on say Stack Overflow. All these things, small things count. Even if you are stuck somewhere because of the situation that you're currently facing, probably some developer somewhere down the line, say 6 months, 7 months later, would struggle with the same question. And that's where if you probably would have already created an issue for it on GitHub, which developers of that project could have taken care of, or if some experts from the industry could have answered those questions on Stack Overflow, even those count. So everything that you do with this, with regards to this, is an open source contribution. So don't hold yourself back. Now that you've already taken certain like a step further by going through the 4 days of sessions, starting to understand web, make web a better place by contributing to these kind of things as well. And one more thing before I go on to the last slide is there is another Ask Google Devs India initiative, which is like Google Devs India initiative, wherein they bring in the experts from the industry and let them answer you the questions that you ask. So this is a link for you where you can ask questions regarding PWA, performance, web vitals, or Angular. There would be 3 Googlers would be answering that for you. So I think tomorrow is the last day to submit this. So better to take a screenshot, and in case you want to, please share your concerns, questions, and we'll take that down in one of the videos. Also, I think one of the intentions of all this is to create a momentum, not to lose it, or not just let it be just a one-time thing. As we have started investment of our time into learning through these resources, let's stay in touch. It's still open-ended right now, where we don't know how will we really utilize all these things, but the intent is clear that we certainly want to grow from here. We really want to see the community developers, web developers getting benefited from the core team that was formed for Web Dev Live India. And what you could do is keep an eye on the website. We might bring in few more resources, few more events that can happen, that will happen. You can reach out to us directly over this email that is mentioned there, webdevliveindia@gmail.com. Not very difficult to learn, webdevliveindia@gmail.com. Similarly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It already has all the 4 days of playlist, whatever was covered in the Web Dev Live India, and it will also have some more resources coming in every now and then when we'll have more initiatives. And don't forget to join or follow the Twitter handle as well, which is again Web Dev Live India. I hope you have taken a screenshot of this for your reference. And with that, again, last reminder for submitting the feedback for 4 days of exciting Web Dev Live India that we did for you. I think gratitude has already been shared, but again, thanks a lot to everyone involved. So please leave feedback for us so that all of us can improve and give you better content, or maybe in a better way content. I think again, feedback. Give us the feedback, and it's you can do it by 20th as mentioned, and the certificates would be shared with you by the end of the month. And if you really enjoyed any part of it, let's give a shout out to all the organizers, all the developers, by say tweeting about your favorite moment from the event, and let's add We Are Webinions as hashtag as well, so that we are all part of the same community. We are Webinions. That's it from my side. And with that, I think we can close the. I'm feeling sad, Biswa, but I think that's what brings us to the end of this exciting period.
Yeah, that is true. I think we will all miss doing it from tomorrow onwards. But yeah, I think it has been like, I think another thing, like please share, I think, these videos with your friends, with other developers that might be interested in this. I think Brijraj and I think the whole team, they have put together like this smaller videos. So if you are really curious about any specific video, or like probably privacy and security, or probably by the developer tools, you can just share those videos and like basically refer those videos to other people also. It's YouTube, so it stays forever. But yeah, I think thank you so much for being an excellent audience, and respecting to all the respects. And I think yeah, thank you so much, and
Let's shout Biswa to close it. We are
Webinions.
See you guys. Bye bye.
See you guys. Bye bye. Good night.